Hello everybody and welcome to One More Bite. Don't forget to like and subscribe and welcome to my channel. Today we're making a beautiful oxtail, stew oxtail, Dominican style, my style. So the recipe will be under the description if you guys want the recipe. But first we gotta start washing this oxtail, because I don't know where it comes from. So we gotta wash it nicely with water, vinegar, leave it there for 10 minutes under the water, and then and also we want to add a little bit of lime for the flavor and everything, so it can take all the bad stuff away. Look at all the reddish water, the blood and all that stuff. Just clean it in your best ability. And then we're going to start with some green pepper. We're going to use half of a green pepper. Okay, we're just going to chop it up. You can chop it up any way you want, in small slices, big slices. After that, we're going to use some red pepper. This red pepper and the green pepper has a beautiful combination aroma, and also followed by the red onions, my favorite onions to use. You can use white onion as well, but I prefer to use red onions. And people, don't forget that cilantro is a very important tool to have, very important ingredient. It adds authentic to the flavor. Okay, and don't forget the garlic. We're gonna incorporate everything on the KitchenAid. This KitchenAid has done wonders for me. If you're interested in a KitchenAid, you can check in the link below, and you can get one of these. But this is my favorite tool to use for everything. And then we're gonna incorporate everything in. Just add whatever seasoning you want. I added some garlic. Well, the garlic already is in there, but I added some oregano. I added a little bit of the jerk seasoning, and some ground pepper and some soya sauce. Okay, after everything is done, okay, look how beautiful this looks. I'm not going to use everything, I'm going to save some for later, but we want to make sure the oxtail is clean, just like that. Then you want to put it in a pot and drop in the goodness. Look at that. Don't forget to get your hands dirty. It's all right. Once you get your hands dirty, that means everything is working. Then when we want to go to the next step, we're going to put a little bit of oil, vegetable oil, and you can put 2 spoons of sugar. This is for the caramelization of the oil integrated with the sugar. This will add color to the meat, a beautiful aroma to the meat and the color. And if you don't hear this sound, you're not doing a great job. You gotta hear that sound, that's the sound that you wanna hear and looking for. Just put everything right in there, and saves a little bit of the water for later. You wanna add that later on. And just do your thing. And then after you do that, for 2 minutes or 3, you just wanna cover it up so everything can cook a little faster. And this is what you want to get. Okay, this is the color that I want to get. I also added a little bit of the browning and a little bit of tomato paste. And you do that for about maybe 10 minutes, and then you want to put it in the pressure cooker. I have this pressure cooker, instant pot, and you can get that also on Amazon. You can get this Tiger from Amazon, the rice cooker. Does wonders for me, and I had it for a long time, and it works great. And here's the pressure cooker. After 40 minutes, this is the rice is done, beautiful and tender. This jasmine rice, my favorite rice to cook is jasmine. Look at that rice, nice and steamy, soft, colorful. Oh my goodness. And this is the star of the show. The star of the show, the oxtail. Up to 40 minutes in the pressure cooker, this is what we get. Nice, tender, fall off the bone, tenderness, whatever you want to call it, fall off the bone. Beautiful ox. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can use 2 plates. There's the plate. And this is what we get, people. Nice, beautiful oxtail with the gravy. And don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, and we'll see you on the next recipe.